video, we are going to see a problem on square pyramid. Here is the question. A square pyramid of 40 mm edge of base and 60 mm axis length is resting on one of its triangular face on the HP. So stop. Draw the projections of the pyramid when edge of base contained by the triangular face is perpendicular to VP. Now these are the conditions given in the problem. First, by reading the question, it was understood that the problem is based on a square pyramid. So here I'll draw the rough diagram of a square pyramid. Now, this is the diagram of a square pyramid having base edges connected in the form of a square, and at the top they are connected to a common vertex. Now in the question it is mentioned that square pyramid 40 mm edge of base, 60 mm axis length is resting on one of its triangular face on the HP. On the HP means on the ground. So a pyramid will only rest on its triangular face, which is here. It will rest on its triangular face only when it is tilted about its edge, which is this edge. If I can take the example here. So here, when I see the initial condition, then the square pyramid needs to be drawn in this way, because only by drawing the square pyramid like this, where it is resting on its edge, I can say, give an example, this is edge AB. So if it is resting on its edge AB, then only it can be tilted about its triangular face. That is, this triangular face OAB will be made, or it will be tilted lying onto the HP. So the initial condition is to draw the square pyramid in this way. Let us get started with the solution. So this is the pyramid. It will look like this from the top. That is, the triangular faces are visible. And here I'll give the notations to it. This is the apex O. So the edges are visible and the triangular faces are visible. Next, when this apex is seen in the front view, the axis would be seen, because if we have a pyramid, in that there is an axis which is passing through its center of the base up to the vertex. So this axis is visible as a point in the top view, and in the front view it will appear as a line, and the axis height is given as 60. So I'll project it. Marking 60 over it, joining the slant edges. So here the apex is projected as O dash in the front view, and here we have 1 dash comma 2 dash, that is the edge, and it is 3 dash comma 4 dash here, making this dark and drawing the axis as well. Now this square pyramid is tilted about its triangular face. That triangular face is O34, because in case of solids we would be tilting that solids onto the right hand side. This triangular face O34 appears as a line in the front view, which is O dash 3 dash 4 dash, that indicates the complete triangular face here. So when I have to make it rest on this triangular face, I will be simply making this line parallel to XY, marking a point here and taking this slant edge of the pyramid, which is actually a triangular face O34 from the front view and making it parallel with XY line. So here there will be O dash and this is 3 dash comma 4 dash. Now here as I have made this triangular face which is O34 as a line which is parallel to XY because it is lying on that triangular face, I'll need to complete this pyramid here. So whatever the slant edge I have taken it from here, taking that same distance, I'll mark from point O dash and draw a light arc. Then I'm going to take the distance of the base edge and cutting it from 3 dash 4 dash. At the intersection I'm getting this point. So joining it in proper order gives me the tilted pyramid which is lying on its triangular face. Here there is point 1 dash 2 dash. Next over this I'll mark the axis from 3 dash 4 dash. I'm taking the distance and it is equal from 1 dash 2 dash as well. So I'll make this dark. Now this is the tilted pyramid which is lying on its triangular face from O dash 3 dash 4 dash. This is the triangular face on which the pyramid is resting and it will appear like this in the front view. Next I'll have to draw the top view and this is my direction. This is the observer. Now when I'm looking from the top, the closest point towards me is 1 dash and 2 dash, that is this is actually an edge which is clearly visible. So when I am drawing the top view, I need to draw those points or those lines first which are visible to me first, which are closest to me. So compared to all the points, 1 dash and 2 dash are closest to the observer. So projecting them first. So here we have point 1 which is from the top view and here point 1 dash from the front view. Wherever they intersect, that gives point 1. On the same line there is point 2. Next point 3 dash and 4 dash, that is visible. Then there is this apex which is O dash. So it is projected from the front view. Now from the top view, wherever this O dash and O intersect, that is the point of the apex O. Now when I would be connecting this, first I'll join the outlines because in drawing outlines are never hidden. So I'll make the outlines first, drawing them light, that is from O to 1, O to 2, and then I'll join them in proper sequence to make it dark, that is 3 to 4, 2 to 3, next after drawing the outline edges dark, as an observer here I can say that edge 1 dash 2 dash will be visible to me because that is closest to the observer. So I will draw it dark. Next edge O to 3 and O24 is at the bottom, means away from the observer, so that will be hidden. Drawing it light, and then I'll draw it with a hidden line because edges of the pyramid are continuous. So O24 and O23. After that, the apex will be projected. Drawing the apex in the top view. And finally here I'll give the dimensions. Base edge is 40 mm side. Axis height is 60. And once we have completed the views which are given, that is, here in this problem it was given that there is a square pyramid resting in the HP, that is in the ground, in such a way that when it is tilted on its triangular face, we have to draw the projections. So it was resting on the triangular face O34, which I had tilted, and in the front view it will appear like this. And drawing the projections, it is clear that as an observer from the top, all the points of the base edges are visible. So this complete square is visible, and taking care of the visibility, we have completed this, and here the question is done.